Welcome to the video tutorial series for QuantStudio Design and Analysis 2. For this tutorial, we will be using the desktop version of the software, but you can also use the application on the Connect platform. In this video, we'll show you how to export data analysis results. There are several options to export results. You can generate a PDF report, export plate results in a spreadsheet or text file, or export to real-time PCR data markup language. When you are done analyzing your data file, click Actions. Then select an option to export the results. To generate a PDF report, select Generate Report. Enter the file name and destination. Select the paper size. Then select the content to include in the report. All of the content is selected by default. To include all of the well data in the report, select All Wells. To include selected well data in the report, select Customize. Click Drag to select specific wells in the plate layout. To preview the report, click Preview. Review the contents of the report, then close the preview window. To finish generating the report, click Generate. A dialog box indicates that the report was generated successfully. To export results as a spreadsheet or text file, click Action. Then click Export. Enter the export file name. Select the file format. Select the file destination. Then select the export settings. Export settings designate the data and results to include in the exported file. This software includes several non-editable system export settings files. Select an existing export settings file from the list, or click Customize to create new export setting. Select the data to export for the primary analysis module. A green check mark indicates that the data will be exported. In the Results tab, select the columns to include in the table. You can also opt to include empty or omitted wells. To select content for other data types, click the appropriate tab, Include, Amplification Data, Multi-Component, Raw Data, and Replicate Group Result. To exclude a particular data type from the exported file, toggle the Export Results button to the off position. The green check mark is removed, indicating that the data will not be exported. To edit the export settings for an analysis module, select an option from the drop-down list. To save the export settings for future use, click Save Current Setting As. To export the data with the new export settings, click Export. A dialog box indicates that the file was exported successfully. To view all of the files in the Export Settings library, click System. Then select Export Settings. The Export Settings library contains both System Export Settings files and Custom Export Settings files. To download System or Custom Export Settings, hover over the file, click the Actions icon, then click Download. To delete Custom Export Settings from the library, click Delete. System Export Settings cannot be deleted. To import an Export Settings file, click Actions, then Import Setting. This concludes the Export Data Analysis Results tutorial. For more information about using this software, see the other videos in the series.